How do you install a muffler on a zero-turn Cub Cadet?
Do you know the model of your Cub Cadet tool or machine? How old is it?
Model numbernis 17A12 ACP 056 893 to 999.
How long has this been going on with your Cub Cadet? What have you tried so far?
My church just bought the mower and it needs a muffler, none was on it.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
How to install it?
Hello. Thank you for choosing JustAnswer. My name is. Will be happy to assist you. Please take a look at the parts list in the link below. It will give you a general idea about the layout of your parts. I can walk you through the process after you have viewed the image. https://www.partstree.com/model/RZT50KW17I2ACP056 Cub Cadet 50 RZT 0 turn mower Kawasaki 2012/engine accessories Kawasaki 3/. You and I can continue from here. Thanks again.
How to install a muffler on the zero-turn mower that I provided you, eith model hash and serial hash.
Thanks for your return. I will be away from my computer until 2 p.m. Central Time today. We can continue our discussion after our return.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.